Begin by using a flathead screwdriver to remove the gasket in the bracket.
Next, support the bracket on something like a roll of tape, with the keyholes facing up so you can pop the seal through. Using a flathead screwdriver, pop the seal through. Then, remove any excess silicone with a paper towel. Apply a small amount of silicone to the tip of your finger, and then apply a thin layer of silicone around the center of the bracket. Get your new seal out and line it up with the bracket hole. After you have your seal in place, press the new seal in evenly with a 27mm socket. The socket must make contact with the outer metal lip of the seal. Again, as you can see here, I'm propping the bracket up with a roll of tape. Gently tap the seal into the bracket. Clean off all the excess silicone, smudges, and fingerprints. Any small amount of glue that ends up on the seal can cause it to leak. Lastly, reinstall the gasket onto the bracket. Begin by using a flathead screwdriver to remove the ceramic portion of the old seal from the center of the impeller. Then remove all the leftover silicone. Apply a small amount of silicone around the inner edge of the impeller hole. Firmly press the seal in place with a 9/16 socket. Make sure the seal is evenly pressed in place. This is what it would look like if you were using a press. Clean off all fingerprints or excess silicone on a ceramic face. Even a little bit of silicone left over on the ceramic seal can cause it to leak. It should take about 30 to 45 minutes of dry time before using the pump. Now you have successfully completed the impeller and bracket seal replacement for the Dart 750 pump.